Hey, where have you been? Good to see you. It's possible that a lot of four-wheel drive design stuff has become a bit stagnant over time. I mean, if it wasn't for decals in the shell, we couldn't tell stuff apart. It's not always been the case. My mate Paul has an outstanding collection of classic stuff. We're gonna go through them one by one, have a look at them, starting off with something I've never even seen before until he brought it around. Let's have a nosy. So here it is, a Hirobo Alien Mid 4. Circa 86, 87, and would have been really quite ahead of its time. The chassis construction looks fairly typical to us now, but in the mid 80s would have been unreal. Moulded bottom chassis with a top deck, but the belt runs along the bottom of the chassis. You can see in the recessed portion here, and must be close to touching each other at parts. Drive comes from the motor to a spur gear and directly onto the rear gear diff, where the belt transfers it to the front. Steering rack looks unusual to us now. Instead of the bell crank system we normally have, it's a rack that runs along this guided rod. We've been spoiled by turnbuckles and ball joints. Realistically, everything on the car is threaded bar and more like a rose joint. Suspension is pretty much what we're used to, with double wishbone and coilover oil-filled shocks, which still work quite well even 30 years later. But isn't it a glorious looking thing and a reminder of just how far on things have come? If you like this, we'd love to hear back from you. Drop a comment, subscribe if you can, and we'll get more done on this collection soon.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos.